Want to improve egg and sperm quality in one delicious meal? This 15-minute grilled salmon is packed with fertility-boosting fats, and the secret is in these 9 simple ingredients. Ingredients. Benefits. Rosemary. Carnosol improves blood flow to ovaries, Journal of Reproductive Biology. Parsley. Rich in apigenin, a flavonoid that improves ovarian follicle development, and folate, essential for DNA synthesis in embryos. Garlic. Allicin boosts sperm motility by 30%. Lemon. High in vitamin C, protects eggs from free radical damage, and citric acid, balances vaginal pH for conception. Cherry tomatoes. Lycopene protects egg DNA. Paprika. Contains capsaicinoids that enhance blood flow to reproductive organs, and vitamin C, boosts sperm motility. Black pepper. Piperine increases nutrient absorption, like zinc and selenium, and reduces oxidative stress in sperm. Olive oil. Polyphenol reduce inflammation. Salmon. Rich in omega-3s for embryo development. Step-by-step cooking. Why fertility experts love this meal. Omega-3s improves embryo quality. Antioxidants reduces oxidative stress. Lean protein supports cell division. Based on ASRM nutrition guidelines. Next time, we're making a creamy pumpkin seed pasta that's clinically shown to boost sperm count. Don't miss it. Hit subscribe and the bell icon. Love this recipe? Tag #FertilityKitchen. Always consult your doctor. Sources linked in description.